Which year was it enacted? But beyond that, Chair, even Google can
Yes,
tell you where he works.
It has a title.
It has a title, Chair. So, but beyond that, Chair, I don't know why should this information be withheld in Parliament, because you can even Google it. It's there. It's a public information where he's employed. So I don't understand this. Thank you.
No, he will state that act, and then each and every act has sections and subsections. You remember, Honorable Ngola, we referred him to section 17, subsection 2 of the Powers, Immunities and Privileges Act of 2004. So he will also state that act and say, in terms of section 3, subsection 5 of the act that I have referred to, you to, I am being forbidden or restricted to mentioning my employment. Honorable Ngola.
No, thanks, Chair. I think the last part I wanted to submit is that whilst we are starting, let's implore with the witness to stop doing those gestures he's doing. I noticed him when Honorable James was speaking. He's doing some funny gestures of laughing when someone is talking. If he wants us to have a very good day today, he must refrain from doing that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Honorable Chair, can I respond?
What are you responding to?
The allegation about making some gestures. I made no gesture to anyone.
No. You see, you know, you must allow me to guide you so that you know what to respond to.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The first part of the CV you have responded to, and the advocate will take you through. You will update the parts that you should update. And the second is with regard to Act 39 of 1994. Which act is that one? Act 39.
National Strategic Intelligence Act.
Yeah. Number 39 of 1994. In that act, which are the sections or subsections that prevent you from?
Within the regulations, it indicates we are forbidden to volunteer that we work for the agency.
Is regulations number 10 or number 6?
No, I don't remember. But I was just alerted that I should raise that with you now that I've mentioned it. Yeah. So that's where I work.
Within those regulations, is there a rule that prevents you from disclosing your place of work?
Yeah, in my experience in court cases, you require permission from the Director General in order to indicate, and usually there's an arrangement with the prosecutor that questions about where you work are not asked.
The question that I'm asking is whether there is a rule that prevents you from disclosing.
Yes, there is, and off the top of my head, I don't know the exact number.
Okay. Honorable Cameron, follow up.
Sorry, Chair. Just maybe for clarity, I might quote, the restriction on state security agency employees disclosing their roles is primarily rooted in the Intelligence Services Act of 2002, particularly through its regulations regarding confidentiality and the protection of identity. Thank you, Chair.
So it's not, what is the title of those regulations you have referred us to?
Chair, that's part of the Intelligence Services Act of 2002.
It's not the regulations, it's act.
It's an act. I don't know the regulations, but that's what legislation says.
Oh, so you are helping the witness to quote the right legislation.
Actually aiming to help the committee, Chair. Thanks, Chair.
Okay, okay. Did you hear it, the witness?
Honorable Chair, yes, and I'm corrected about the specific number of the act. So I stand corrected.
Yeah. So you withdraw the statement that you earlier made about Act 39,
Chair,
or you are saying they must be read together?
I think all matters relating to intelligence should be read together,
Okay,
always.
okay. And then, yeah, you were prepared to respond to the matter that Honorable Ngola has raised with you. What is your response on that one?
I seek clarity, Chair, of what is the issues that make the honorable member unhappy.
Okay,
I'm not very clear to me. You spoke about gestures.
yeah,
Since I came in, I've been holding this chair and not
Yeah.
moving my hands.
okay. Honorable Ngola, do you have
Thank you
any-
very much,
any
Chair.
clarity you want to make?
Chair, when Honorable James spoke about the issue relating to the CV of the witness,
Yeah.
the witness was laughing. And gestures are not only made through hands. When I raised the issue of the citation of the act that is incorrect, he did the same.
Yeah.
So I wanted us to plead with him to refrain from that so that we have smooth proceedings today. Thank you so much, Chair.
Okay. Honorable Nomva.
No, Chair, I just wanted to confirm, firstly, I'm rising on two things. I wanted to confirm that the latter speaker is not hallucinating. We've made a similar observation. Here, we must maintain the decorum. We're not being funny here. We're here to work as members of parliament. Maybe if I can put it in a different way, the witness was making funny reactions using his face. He did that twice. He did it with Honorable James. He did it with Honorable Ngola. So we can't leave it unchallenged because he will do it to me. And when he does it to me, there will be confrontations. So it must be stopped from the onset. That's not how we conduct business of these proceedings. But the second thing, Chair, that I want to raise is that we can't downplay what the witness has done to us as this committee. He voluntarily and he concedes to that incident here before us, submitted a wrong CV to the senior counsel. I was going to understand if maybe you were saying the CV was taken by the senior counsel from somebody else, not from him. He submitted a wrong CV, and for you to prepare the correct CV, you don't need a legal advice because a CV is your own product. You do your own CV. So to me, Chair, the excuse that the witness is giving here is not valid, is invalid, that he had no time, he had no gadgets. And he only tells us now when it has been picked up by one of the honorable members. He should have told this committee before he even spoke that there's an issue with my CV. So we're misled, we're made to read a wrong document as members of this committee because we read before we come here when we prepare for these interviews. So it's an issue that you can't take lightly because if we leave it unchallenged, it's going to be referred to as a precedent in future. There is a precedent that we made here as this committee. When Mr. Nkabinde was here, we turned him away because he came with defective documents. Now the same witness, now another witness in the same platform is saying, I gave you a wrong CV, and we just leave it like that. We brush it off as if it's an immaterial issue. So, Chair, what the witness has done to this committee must be condemned with the contempt it deserves. It's wrong. It's not done. He has misled this committee.
Honorable James.
Chairperson, also, the witness couldn't tell us where he works. I don't understand. When his appointment was public, he was publicly appointed as the director, let me help him, director for foreign branch of State Security Agency. It's all over. Why couldn't he answer that simple question? Thank you.
You said that the CV that was sent to the committee is an old CV, correct?
Chair, in fact, I volunteered indicating it's an old CV. No one pointed it out to me.
That's what you said, that it's an old CV.
Indeed.
Yes. And there is nothing falsified in that old CV.
That's correct.
This is the CV that you used previously.
Indeed, Chair, and I didn't leave anything out in speaking to the evidence leaders.
Yeah. So,
Indicated my difficulty.
so the period between now and the last time that CV was written, there might have been other developments in your life which may not have been updated in that CV. Correct.
Indeed, Chair.
Okay. And then you say that the various pieces of legislation on intelligence read together, we may find a provision that prevents you from disclosing your employment.
Chair, indeed, but I think the horse has already bolted, and I think Honorable Cameron indicated the correct legislation, and I'm happy with that, sir.
Okay. And Honorable James has also disclosed the position to which you have been appointed to.
That is correct, sir, and I had indicated in volunteering the CV, indicating my dilemma about mentioning where I work. I indicated most of the honorable members know it. It's public knowledge.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But you are not allowed to mention it, even if it's public knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm not, but it has been mentioned now.
Yeah, I understand what you are saying. So, but you are willing to provide information on milestones that you might have achieved from the last time the CV was written.
Yes, sir. Every question, query, clarification on any aspect of my life, I will respond to accurately, including achievements.
For as long as there are no restrictions in law.
Indeed, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Honorable Matthys.
Chair, I think it must be noted, Mr. McBride is very indifferent here as he's sitting here before us, even how he's sitting. We won't have to go back into the issue of the gestures he's been doing with his face. But the reason and the explanation of submitting to us an old CV and that he didn't have tools of the trade. You work for one of our agencies of government. Literally, it's not that the CV of yours is details and gives job description. So it was a matter of just filling in. A project manager from the Department of Public Works finished on which date, literally 3 or 4 lines. So it tells us, Chair, that Mr. McBride is not taking this committee serious. It's like he's just indifferent. He's just here. Oh, you called me here. It's giving us the same Mary Diaz vibes, what we experienced when we started with Mary Diaz. And we're not going to tolerate that behavior. We can't start off on this note. So we are pleading with Mr. McBride, please take us serious here as Parliament. Do your work. You didn't, you can't give, I mean, you should even feel embarrassed. You work for a whole state security agency as a whole director. And you even come here and you even just blatantly just say, oh, I didn't have time or I didn't have resources to update my CV and I gave my CV. Can we be taken serious as a country even? So I please address that with Mr. McBride. I think it's very wrong on how you are treating, and it's not Parliament, it's the people of South Africa, Mr. McBride. You can't be in the position that you're in and you cannot even give us an updated CV. It's wrong. And even to address us in the manner that you did, it's wrong. So please let us just move forward. Take this serious. You're talking to the people of South Africa through us. We are representatives. They voted for us.